Hi, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm working on this 2023 BMW X5 with a really sharp dent here in the lift gate of this vehicle. So some of the challenges on this repair was the access point as well as the damage being so close to the edge. I'm going to go ahead and fix this damage using the Automotive paintless dent repair system. We're not going to use any type of body fillers, Bondo, painting, anything like that, preserving the factory paint finish on this BMW with only 4,000 miles on it. Just finishing up the repairs on this 2023 BMW X5. So this had a really nasty sharp crease dent on the edge of the panel here that we were able to remove using the paintless dent repair system. So one of the really big challenges on this specific repair was that it was on the edge here and we were really unsure as far as access to the backside of this vehicle because it being such a new vehicle. So we wrote it to remove the trim panel, and upon removing the trim panel we were actually able to determine we could get very limited access. So most of the actual repair was done with glue pulling. If you've got any similar type of damage like this shown in your vehicle that you'd like repaired using the paintless dent repair system, visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. I'm Jack at Sioux Falls Dent Repair, and we'll see you on the next one.